Okay, parts came today, guys. Strut mounts, struts. We already have the calipers and the rotors. I'm gonna do these videos, separate videos, but we'll do all in sync, all together, guys. First thing we're gonna do is turn the wheel towards the passenger side, so we can have the caliper in our face. We're gonna remove this caliper first. Takes a 3/8 inch Allen key or Allen socket. I removed the brake line off the caliper first while the caliper was mounted, so I can have that leverage to remove that line without that caliper swinging all over the place. Now that we got the caliper out of our way, guys, it's time to remove that rotor. First thing you want to do is remove that cap using a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Now let's remove the cotter pin. I use a flathead screwdriver and some pliers to get the cotter pin out. Guys, to remove that bolt, it requires a 27mm socket. Now let's remove that backing plate. It requires a 11mm socket to remove those 3 bolts. Okay guys, now let's remove the line bracket. It's mounted on the strut. It's a 13mm. Turn the wheel out towards the passenger as far as it can go, so you can better off reach it and reach those, just in case you have to put a wrench here when you drill those strut bolts off. That copper washer, guys, it looks good. We can leave it on there. I got an extra if I need to, but it's already pressed on that line, so it's fine. So let's get these strut bolts off. Okay guys, 15/16 socket fits perfectly on there. No play whatsoever. 15/16. Okay guys, we're done from here. Let's remove it from here. I should unscrew it here because now it's spinning around. Hopefully it'll catch. 21 millimeter guys for that. Okay, now let's remove the strut mount, guys. I'm gonna trace this out. So you wanna put it kinda exactly where the old one came off at. Just for a reference, guys, I'm gonna come back up with these same holes. I'll mount back up with the same holes. Okay guys, 13 millimeter. This 13 millimeter fits okay. Half an inch fits better. Okay guys, we're done. We'll start back reassembling everything in a second. Let me show you guys. This brace stays up here. So leave that in place for right now. As you can see, kind of mark where I put the old one back at and bolt it back down. I'll show you guys the difference. There's a driver side and the passenger side strut mount. This is the driver side. You guys can see. Same setup. If you look at the passenger side, it won't work. Passenger side, totally different. Comes with only some nuts, some washers. Let's install the new strut mount, guys. Gonna line up exactly where I traced that area out at. Here it is right here. It's right here, guys. Let's put it back. Right there. Alright guys, these are in foot-pounds. Let me show you guys. Torques are rated in foot-pounds. This is, the upper mount is 20 foot-pounds. The mount, the upper strut to mount is 50 foot-pounds, and to the knuckle is 195 foot-pounds. As you guys know, we're in the right book. Okay guys, we took down, by the way, these are 13, the new bolts are 13 millimeter, guys. Now let's install the strut. The strut is under tension, so we want to cut this cable, guys, and release the strut, shears. All right guys, to use these to compress it, to save space when shipping from the factory. Could have came with a new nut. Guess this is okay, kind of a unique nut. All right, let's get this installed up top up here. First we want to put, it'd be nice to clean this up, but I guess. Want to put that on. And let's go up with this thing. Okay, you don't want to tighten it all the way down. Yeah, you don't want to tighten it all the way down yet, kind of leaving it loose a little bit, guys. Okay guys, I use this adjustable wrench for the back of these bolts in the front. Let's get them torqued down now, guys. The torque is 195 foot-pounds, and this is 50 foot-pounds. So we can torque this actually first. Guys, it's tightened all the way down. To get it to torque, guys, you want to hold this with something and put the torque wrench up here. Let's torque these guys down now to 195 foot-pounds. We'll be done with the struts and strut mounts. All right, guys, we're done with this. Got the bolt back installed in the brake line, guys, and the bolts are installed here. No specific torques readings on those, guys, just tighten them down. And now I'm done with this video, guys. If you want to more, subscribe to the channel, guys. You see more uploads for this vehicle. I'm gonna do some amazing things with this car. Can't wait to get it out for the test drive after I get these brakes and rotors installed. So if you want to watch that video as well, guys, and me doing the rotors and calipers, you can click on the channel. It'll be on there, or it may come up at the end of this video. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload new content. Terrence, and I'm out.